If you're watching this video from your bed right now and the last time you saw it was 6 days ago, I'm saying this as your friend, but we need to get you the hell out of that bed. And this journal page is going to help you with that. But before you pick up that pen, is that really what you want your life to look like? Today I'm finally going to get it together. I will check off all 20 things on my to-do list, wake up at 5 AM, go to the gym. Oh no, how did this happen again? I'm not going to tell you to stop being lazy or to put your phone in another room. We both know that never works. So let's get your journal out and stop bed rotting. The title of this page is the bed rotting map. Right below that, draw a big mountain but upside down. So it's a V shape. Peace. That's you. Look how tiny and cute you are. This mountain ends in a black hole, and if you end up down there, congratulations, you're officially bed rotting. Now imagine this entire structure is filled with quicksand. If you fall into quicksand, your natural instinct is to freak out and move around, but that actually makes you sink faster. It's like when you realize you wasted your morning, get stressed, give up, and rot for the rest of the day. Means the longer you stay in bed and scroll, the deeper you sink and the harder it is to get out. We need to identify what pushed you into it in the first place, so write those reasons down. I mean, 2 seconds ago you were happily standing on top of the mountain, so what happened? How do we go from admiring the view to starting a discussion with a stranger on TikTok on how to chop onions? Was it a fight with a friend? Did you get a bad grade after studying for 3 weeks? If you're bed rotting, there's always gonna be a reason, because on days when you do things you love, your phone doesn't even cross your mind. And I know admitting what you're running from is nasty and uncomfortable, but knowing why you're miserable is the first step. Unfortunately, just being aware of it won't fix it, so now we have to build your exit route, which brings us to section 2. Look, it's that V shape again. Go to the bottom of the V and draw a single line up. This is your rescue rope. Think back the last time you successfully got yourself out of bed and off your phone. There are 2 types of rescue ropes. Type 1, unfixable. You can't control this. It sucks and it hurts, but the only way to move on is to accept it, and that's how you take its power away. Like that it's raining, or the fact that you accidentally liked your ex photo from 3 years ago. It happened. I know, it's devastating. But unless you fake your own death or move to another country, you just have to accept it. Type 2, fixable. The moment you grab this rope, you realize that you can actually do something about your situation. Like if you got a bad grade because you didn't study, you can study next time. Or if you said something horrible to a friend, you can apologize. What is that thing for you? The goal of this page isn't to be productive. It isn't to do deep work for 8 hours or to work on your business. I mean, we could do a video about that if you like. Do you put your phone on a pedestal? Because if you don't, start now. Treat it like a prize you have to earn. My apps are locked until I've done my tasks. I need 50 strawberries to unlock 5 minutes of scrolling, and the only way I get strawberries is by doing my tasks. It sounds strict. It kind of is, but that also means that scrolling feels good now because you earned it. I built this app because I couldn't find anything that worked for me, and if you want to see how the exact system works, I'm gonna link it below. Pulling yourself out of the sand is exhausting, so wouldn't it be a million times better if you just stopped falling into it in the first place? Which brings us to the last section. We mapped the why, we built the exit rope. Now let's make sure you need neither of them next time. Draw 1 arrow pointing out of the black hole. Do you see any patterns here? Is it always a Friday night? Is it always after you compare yourself to someone or when you skipped your morning routine? If those situations happen again, how could you react better or differently next time? Once you know your patterns, bed rotting turns into data, and next time you'll see it coming before you're already at the bottom. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at this beautiful journal page you just made. If you actually sat down with me today and created this journal page, go to the comments and comment the word doodly doo-doo. How funny would it be that people who didn't watch until the end go to the comment section and all they see is that word doodly doo-doo and they're like, what did I miss? They won't get the joke, but you and me will. It's like a secret society, guys. If you only watch the video, you're not allowed to comment. Don't cheat. Yes, it will feel very uncomfortable to do this page and you definitely want to burn it, but not many people will do it, so congratulations. Are you still in bed? I hope not. If you like the style of this video, I have good news. I made tons of other videos in that exact same style. There's one for burnout, there's one for stress. I have already posted that video for burnout, because if not, it's gonna be a spoiler. Oops. And please remember that your bed will always be there, your days won't.